Hi class, Teacher Devaney here. Today we are going to read a book about exercise and we are going to do an activity while we're reading it. So I'm going to have you make sure that you are in a space where you have plenty of room to exercise with me as we read the book. So stand up, spread your arms and legs out, make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Okay, are we ready? Pause this video if you need time to get ready. Okay, I'm gonna get started. The book is Exercise. Let's move and play. Did you know that as you run, jump, and play, you are exercising your body? Each day you are exercising in so many ways without even thinking about it. Let's take a look at some of the fun ways we can exercise. Jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump with me? So bend your knees and then push up off the ground. Did you do it? It is fun to jump by yourself or while holding hands with your teacher or friend. Okay, I'm gonna start a timer and I'm gonna have you jump for 30 seconds as long as you can. Count your jumps as you go if you can. Ready? Set, go. 30 seconds. So remember, bend your knees and then push up off the ground. Reach for the sky and jump, jump, jump. Count those jumps. Do you see the little girl jumping? It says, can you try another type of jumping? How about hopping? Try hopping on one foot, then on the other. Can you jump up and down on one foot? 2 seconds. That's it. You did it. 30 seconds of jumping. Jump up to pump up. Jumping rope, long jumping, and other exercise that involve jumping build muscles and make your legs strong. Did you know there are many muscles in your legs that help you jump? The calf muscle is on the back of your leg behind or below your knee. The quadriceps muscles is on the front of your leg above your knee. Do you feel these muscles working as you jump? Running. It is fun to run and play when you're outside, but what kind of running can you do inside? Can you run in place? Can you move your arms and legs just like you do when you run? But try it to stay in one spot. Can you run slowly in place? Now let's go fast. Ready? Let's give it a shot. 30 seconds. Run in place. Try to stay in one spot. Lift those knees and pretend you're running. Move your arms and legs. You're halfway there. Keep running. Use those muscles. Can you run fast or a little slower in one spot? I think you can. All right, 30 seconds. Good job, guys. Did you know running is a great cardiovascular exercise? That means it's good for your heart. Pump it up. When you run, your heart beats faster to pump blood throughout your body. Place your hand over your heart after you've been running and you can feel it beating quickly. Can you feel it? Put your hand on your heart and see if you can feel your heart beating. Pushing. Let's pretend that we are moving a heavy box. It is too heavy to pick up. How can we move it? Let's push it. Place your hands on the sides of an imaginary box and use your arms and legs to push it forward. Now let's pretend the box is light. Will it be harder or easier to push? So I want you to do it for 30 seconds with me. We're going to put our hands on a wall. Place 2 hands on the wall directly in front of you. And I'm going to have you push the wall. Ready? Let's go. 30 seconds. Put your hands on that wall and push. You can use your arms and legs to really push the wall. Don't lift your hands. Keep your hands flat on the wall and push. Pretend the box is light. Would it be easy to push or hard to push? Now, if it was a really heavy box, if that wall was a really heavy box, would it be really hard to push? Push it really hard, like it's a really heavy box. Good job. 30 seconds. You did it. Exercise all together now. Exercise that involve pushing a heavy object or your own body strength, your arms, chest, shoulders, and back. Stay strong. It is important to keep these muscles strong because they help you do lots of things such as lift and carry items. What other exercises can you think of that strengthen your arms, chest, and shoulders? Did you know that there are two muscles in your arms that work hard when you push something? One is called triceps. It is on the back of your arm above your elbow. The other is the deltoid, which is on top of your shoulders. Ooh, climbing. Are there any structures on the playground that you like to climb? Let's pretend that we are climbing. I'm going to do 30 seconds. Let's pretend we're climbing the structure on the playground. Reach up with your arms and hold on. Okay, sit down and reach up with your arms and hold on. And then we're going to pretend to step up. Okay, stand up. Can you stand up and pretend to make steps? Pretend you're climbing. You're going to do one arm, one foot, the other arm, the other foot, and pretend to climb. Pull yourself up for 30-second climbing. You did it. Good job. Hold on. Climbing improves your grip strength, your ability to hold on to something with your hands. Be sure to hold on tightly when you're climbing outside. Did you know climbing uses muscles in your arms, back, legs, and abdomen? Your abdomen is your stomach. Crawling. There are different ways to crawl. Let's try some together. Can you crawl on your hands and knees? Let's do it. I'm going to reset the timer. Let's get started. Get on your hands and knees and crawl. Can you crawl like a bear on your hands and feet? Can you crawl like a snake by laying on your belly and using your arms to move your body forward? Keep crawling. Can you crawl backwards? You're halfway there. Keep crawling. Crawling is an exercise that requires coordination, which means that it uses different parts of your body to have to work together. And you did it. 30 seconds. Great job. Did you know when you crawl, you move one leg and the opposite arm at the same time? That means when your left leg moves, your right arm moves. And when your right leg moves, your left arm moves. Try crawling again, paying attention to how your arms and legs move. Ready? I'm going to start the timer. 30 seconds. So you're going to use one arm on your right side and one arm or leg on your left side. And then you're going to switch. Keep crawling. Maybe this time you're going to use your left arm first and your right leg first to crawl. 10 seconds. Keep crawling. 3, 2, 1. That's 30 seconds. Good job. Stretching. Do you guys stretch? I love stretching. When your muscles are tired or sore, sometimes it helps to stretch them. Let's stretch them together. So, I'm going to start the timer. Stand up tall. Reach your arms up in the air as high as you can. Reach your arms up. Try to stretch yourself as tall as you can. Imagine your fingers touching the ceiling. Keep your toes on the ground. Now lean to the left. So stay standing and lean over to left and turn your body into a C. Curve your body. And then lean to the right. Curve your body. Can you reach down and touch your toes? Bend over, touch your toes and stretch. Hold it there for a little bit. You can do it. Good job. Oh, wow. You guys did more than 30 seconds. Did you know it is always a good idea to stretch after exercising? Stretching helps your muscles and joints stay flexible, which means that they are easy to bend. This way and that. Try moving your body in a few different ways. Which muscles do you feel stretching?